My name is Eloisa, and I'm addicted. Well, I just love slime. Eloisa,
I know it
slime
is.
over 150,000 times a day. That's more than a natural human does. She's been addicted to slime for about 20, half a life. It started off with thinking putty, and then she went on Etsy and bought a lot of slime at eBay, and then she's been playing with it ever since. Her mother made people come to be her friend. Okay, here's some slime. If anyone who walks in my room, they're dead. Okay. Move, lamp. I love slime. We're here to be your friend. Get your filthy paws out of here. You're disturbing my slime session. Get out. Get out. Her mom is terribly disappointed. I just don't know how she could have just been addicted to a little squishy thing. I mean, it's really kind of gross. It just never touch my slime again, or you'll be killed and dead. Okay. Yes, daughter.
If you can even do it, yeah.
Now I'm gonna show you guys some of my slime. Now, Mom, put away my slime, or I'm gonna murder you. Okay. Okay, so my first slime is oh yeah, I bet I've been addicted for about 15 years, half of my life. Okay, so here is my biggest one. Look. Oh no, it's stick to the lid, but I mean, it's like really pokeable, like a lot, like a lot. Love it. So you guys can like slime too, or I will murder you. Yeah. Oh no. Oh my god, that dumb recording camera. I don't even know what society is anymore. I think it's just like code. I think it just like means another word for slime. And slime is my best friend. I don't even know how this ever happened to my innocent daughter. I don't even know how she could just love something that you could just play with. Just so confusing and hard for me. I just want to die. But hopefully one day she'll get over this. And she'll never play slime again. Shut up, Mom. I'm never gonna stop loving slime. Just so nice and squishy and love slime. So never disrespect slime or I'll kill you. And the cameraman. Whoa, stop. So yeah. Yeah. She'll never touch my slime again. Or I swear to God, I will murder her and slit her throat. Grab her guts and eat them to death. But I would already be dead. Shut up. Oh my God, is that my mom crying? Oh my God, she's so shook. She's such a little... It's just so funny. I mean, slime is everything, and slime is my life. She needs to get that. Slime is everything. Oh my god, I almost died. But, yeah. La, 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 la. So, if you guys disrespect my love for slime, I will murder you. Her love for slime grew bigger and bigger until she became a total maniac to it and really addicted. Oh yeah, so yeah. I just love slime. Here's one of the beads I put on my slime to make it a bit crunchier sometimes. I usually put it in my parrot, like my dark periwinkle, because it looks pretty. Here it is. Oh no, it ripped. Oh my gosh. I think she's dead. She managed to still get the jewel in her slime. Dun dun dun. Oh my god, we need to go to the hospital. Stop recording. We need the hospital. After a minute of screaming, the mom actually called the hospital without me having to do it because I'm not supposed. Oh my gosh, what if she dies? Ma'am, your daughter won't live. I don't even know. I'm totally a doctor. Just get in. This is totally a hospital car. Oh god, ow. Okay, get you the person in. Oh my god, I hope she lives. Well, actually, it'd be kind of nice if she died. Let's go. Minutes later, her slime addiction became so badly, she would have to get rushed to the ER every time it ripped, or was unsatisfied, or hard. Oh my gosh, will she live? Get out the room. Yep. Centuries later, her slime addiction became too big. Later, she was able to go back home, but traumatized, but still had a love for slime. So, how do you still like Putty? Do you still like? Yes. I will never stop liking it. Okay. You need to respect that. I always will like slime. That's that. She did manage to get a boyfriend. Oh my god, this is Mikey. So cute. Yeah, so okay, Mikey, wrap me up in a burrito like you did last time with my slime. Okay. She forces me to do this. Help me. Okay, just like burrito wrap, right? I can do that every day, right? Anything for my girlfriend. So you would die for me? No, maybe not that one. Okay, wrap me up. Yay! My god. Is it not closing? It's the end of the world. I'm gonna die. Wait, boyfriend. Okay, I have my air bubble. Yeah, totally. Oh my god, are you poking my slime? Potato. Oh my god, what are you doing? She was addicted for 40 years now. She's like 15 years old, but like she's been addicted for a long time. Don't ask me that. I'm just gonna go now. She needs help. A A S A B A S A B P P P N S P A S P. Man, I think she's like dead now. But she poked slime more than an average person. I'm gonna go now. Ooh. Oh crap! She had her phone with her. FBI, open up! You're going to jail. No. That was for the episode Addicting. Oh, goodbye. 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 Goodbye.